Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and best regards to the jury. It is a great pleasure to have the opportunity to present our research entitled The Effect of Learning Models on Vocational School Students' Learning Motivation, a Meta-Analysis Study. I am Muhammad Ilham Surahman as the team leader and Kakak Ibnu Zaki, Muhammad Galuh, Bayu Tirta, Asprof Ranu Iskandar as members. The decline in learning motivation among vocational high school students has become a serious issue in vocational education in Indonesia. Several studies have shown that most vocational students have low learning enthusiasm, which negatively affects their academic achievement and work readiness.
The purpose of today is to conduct a meta-analysis that measures the influence of several learning models such as cooperative learning, project-based learning, and problem-based learning on vocational student learning motivation.
The novelty of this study lies in its effort to integrate various research findings on the effects of learning models on vocational high school students' learning motivation in Indonesia through a meta-analytic approach. Unlike previous studies that generally focus on learning outcomes or were conducted in a single school, this research provides a more comprehensive synthesis within the context of vocational education. This meta-analysis research design provides empirical and practical benefits for vocational education. This approach integrates various previous research findings to produce a valid synthesis of the effectiveness of learning models on vocational high school students' learning motivation. The results are expected to be an empirical reference for teachers and policy makers in designing effective learning strategies to increase the learning motivation of vocational school students. The data collection process in this study was carried out systematically through Google Scholar and Semantic Scholar, yielding an initial total of 127 data sources. After screening to remove duplicate entries, 70 data were eliminated, leaving 57 unique data sets. During the eligibility assessment stage, 17 data were excluded due to incomplete information, resulting in 40 remaining data. Subsequently, a relevance assessment was conducted based on research focus, and 26 data were found to be irrelevant and therefore excluded from the analysis. Consequently, 14 final data sets met all inclusion criteria and were deemed suitable for use in the meta-analysis process. The analysis indicates a significant positive relationship between learning models and learning motivation, as the p-value is less than 0.05. The analysis results indicate that the field of information technology has the most significant effect compared to the fields of manufacturing and engineering technology and business and management. The analysis results show that the problem-based learning model has the greatest influence on improving student learning motivation, followed by project-based learning and cooperative learning. The analysis from the forest plot indicates that the effect size of the analyzed studies range from negative 0.44 to 0.2.40H. The forest plot analysis also shows the random effects model with an effect size of 0.5th. The analysis of the final plot shows the distribution of effect size against the standard error represented by black dots. The meta-analysis shows that learning models have a significant positive effect on students' learning motivation. The implementation of certain learning models has the potential to increase student learning motivation. Several models that have proven effective in enhancing learning motivation include problem-based learning and cooperative learning. Fields of expertise also influence learning motivation in the areas of information technology, manufacturing and engineering technology, as well as business and management. These findings remind us that choosing the right learning model can greatly improve student engagement and performance in vocational schools. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.